Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to use the word should. Now, should has a lot of different definitions. If you were going to look it up in the dictionary, you might see 7 or 8 or even 10 ways to use it. But we're just going to keep it simple today. Let's talk about a few of the most common ways to use should. So the first way is when you want to make a suggestion or give someone advice. For example, let's say you have a friend who's sick. You can tell them, "You should see a doctor." "You should see a doctor." Or, "You should go to the hospital." "You really should go to the hospital." Remember, should is followed by an infinitive verb. Or if someone is very tired or just too busy lately, what could you say? "You should get some rest." "You should get some rest." Now, if you want to sound a little less strong, you could add words like maybe or I think. For example, "I think you should see a doctor." Or, "Maybe you should go to the hospital." Now, what if you want some advice or you want someone to give you a suggestion? You could ask, "Do you think I should?" For example, "Do you think I should see a doctor?" "Do you think I should see a doctor?" How would you answer? "Yes, I think you should see a doctor." Or, "Yes, you should." "Yes, I do." Or, "No, it's okay. You don't need to see a doctor." "No, you shouldn't go to the doctor." Now, the second way that we can use the expression should would be to express regret, or when we're disappointed or sad that we didn't do something. For example, we can say, "I should have gone to the doctor." "I should have gone to the doctor." But also, we can make this a little simpler to say. In English, we like to combine words and make things shorter. So instead of saying should have, a lot of native speakers will say should have. "I should have gone to the doctor." Or, "I should have brought my umbrella." "Oh no, it started raining. I should have brought my umbrella." Notice, should have is followed by a past participle. Or what if a friend invites you to dinner or to a party, but you already have plans? You could say, "Sorry, you should have asked me earlier," or "You should have told me earlier." So these examples we just talked about were for when you want to express regret for things that you didn't do. But what about when you want to show regret for something that you did do, but you wish you didn't? You could say something like this: "Should not have," or "shouldn't have." "I should not have said that." "I should not have said that." "I shouldn't have said that." "I shouldn't have said that." "I shouldn't have done that." "I shouldn't have done that." "I should not have done that." "I should not have done that." Okay, the third common way to use should in English is to say that something is probable or expected. For example, "I should arrive by 8 p.m. "I should arrive by 8 p.m. "I should get there by 8. "I should get there by 8. Or, "I should be there in a few minutes." "I should be there in a few minutes." "He should be here any minute now." "He should be here any minute now." That means that someone is very close. They should get there soon. Or if someone asks, "When will the meeting finish?" You could say, it should finish by 6. It should finish by 6. Or, it should be done in half an hour. It should be done in half an hour. Or what if someone is trying to make their cup of coffee in the morning, but they want to put some milk in it? And they ask you, is there any milk left? Oh, there should be some milk in the fridge. There should be some milk in the fridge. Yeah, there should be some. Yeah, there should be some. Or when you're worrying about something, you might ask a question like this. Do you think it's too loud? No, it should be okay. No, it should be okay. It should be fine. It should be fine. Okay, that's it. Those are 3 very common ways that we use the expression should in English. Can you remember them? Let's do a little review. The first reason is to give a suggestion or advice. You should see a doctor. 2, to express regret. I should have brought an umbrella. And 3, to say that something is probable or expected. It should finish by 6. Okay, so try to practice these expressions as you can a lot this week. Remember, everything you learn, you need to speak. You need to speak it out to really be able to make the language your own. And let's keep paying attention for some more examples to follow. Okay, are you ready? Let's practice. You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. You should get some rest. You should get some rest. He should be more patient. He should be more patient. Maybe you should find a new job. Maybe you should find a new job. Maybe I should talk to him about it. Maybe I should talk to him about it. I think you should go to bed. I think you should go to bed. I think I should go home now. I think I should go home now. Do you think I should get a haircut? Do you think I should get a haircut? Do you think I should try it? Do you think I should try it? I should have told you earlier. I should have told you earlier. I should have brought my umbrella. I should have brought my umbrella. I should have brought my laptop. I should have brought my laptop. I should have brought my pictures. I should have brought my pictures. You should have brought your passport. You should have brought your passport. He should have calmed down. He should have calmed down. I should have thought about it. I should have thought about it. You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier. I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. You shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have been late. I shouldn't have been late. He shouldn't have thrown it away. He shouldn't have thrown it away. It should be okay. It should be okay. I should arrive by 8 p.m. I should arrive by 8 p.m. There should be some milk in the fridge. There should be some milk in the fridge. It should be done by 6 p.m. It should be done by 6 p.m. He should be here any minute. He should be here any minute. It should be no problem. It should be no problem. Good job! If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.